how do you get the right people in a learning organization, and how do you encourage them to keep learning?
One of my friends who was a CEO said, I figured out what it takes to be a CEO. It's quite simple. It's only three things. Hire the right people, put them in the right jobs, and get the hell out of the way. Right? So, but easier said than done.
Yeah.
So I think the first part, which is find the right people, actually is a very, very important insight, which is that as a CEO or as a business leader, perhaps the most impact you can have on your business is talent, identifying talent and sort of being on the lookout and being a talent magnet. In fact, that's one of the things you look at when I work with a lot of startups, and when I look at the CEO, the founder, I ask, is this person a talent magnet? Can they attract good people? Can they inspire people to just, so that's the first part is sort of, because I tell people you don't hire people, you hire an attitude. And your attitude, I believe, is a good predictor of your altitude, how far you're going to go or how high you're going to go in life. So people are built a particular way, so you have to identify those right skills. But then you have to create an environment that encourages them to continue to ask questions, to continue to learn, to continue to sort of, so that it's a safe, the environment is a safe place. So this is what we call a culture of innovation, creating an environment where it is through a combination of money, love, and development, encouraging people to take risks, to ask questions, to break stuff even if they have to. So that's what encourages people to sort of continue to learn and to take risks. And then once they do reach success, figuring out how to reward success, and very importantly, how to reward failure. Because there will be some failure. In rewarding failure, the thing to understand is that you don't reward just the outcome, you reward the effort. Because if companies don't know how to reward failure, then people will only look for success, and innovation requires, almost demands some failure. So those are some of the tips on how do you bring the right people, motivate them to learn, and retain them.